Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. In this story, you will learn how sharing joy can make everyone happier. Let's get started. It was a Sunday morning. Ballu and Neelu were still sleeping in their beds till 9 o'clock. Their father came into the room and said, "Wake up, children." "Please, 10 more minutes," they murmured together. Their father smiled and said, "If you sleep longer, how will we go to the chocolate factory?" "Chocolate factory?" Ballu and Neelu squealed with excitement. "Yes, kids! We are going to visit the chocolate factory near the town hall. Get ready in 30 minutes." Ballu and Neelu quickly took a bath and dressed in their best clothes. Their father took out the car, and soon they reached the chocolate factory on time. Outside the factory gate, they saw another child sitting quietly. Ballu went near him and asked, "Hello, what is your name? Why are you sitting here?" The child replied, "My name is Shyam. I also want to go inside, but my father cannot afford it." Ballu and Neelu looked at each other, then looked at their father. "Papa, can we please take him along? We will have more fun," they asked. Their father thought for a moment and smiled. "Of course, kids. It is always good to share joy," he said. So Ballu, Neelu, and Shyam entered the chocolate factory together with their father. They watched how cocoa beans are collected and how chocolate is made. They also tasted samples of different chocolates. All three children enjoyed the visit very much. "Thank you, Papa," said Ballu and Neelu. "Thank you, Uncle," said Shyam happily. Shyam hugged Ballu and Neelu and thanked them too. They waved goodbye and promised to meet again. That brings us to the end of the story. Here you learned. Sharing joy makes happiness double. We hope you like this story.